Your desktop is the first thing you see every time you turn on your PC. Why would you want it to look like this when it could be looking more like this? Over the years, Windows has given us tons of customization options. Today, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to transform your desktop. The first method involves removing all of your desktop icons. To do this, we're going to right-click the desktop, hit View, and untick Show Desktop Icons. This is better already. This instantly makes your wallpaper the focus instead of 40 random shortcuts. You do lose quick access to files, so you might want to pin your most used applications to the taskbar. Speaking about the taskbar, we need to change this. First thing we're going to be doing is right-clicking on the taskbar and going to Taskbar Settings. Here we want to turn off Task View and Widgets and scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors. Set your taskbar alignment to center, and if you want to, you can click Automatically Hide the Taskbar. This completely hides your taskbar until you move your cursor to the bottom of your screen. If you're an ultra minimalist, you might like this feature, but it's not for me. We're now going to be downloading something called Translucent Taskbar. We can download this on the Microsoft Store. Translucent TB is a lightweight utility that runs quietly in the system tray. Open it up and you instantly get the translucent taskbar on the bottom. This has completely changed the entire vibe of the desktop. My taskbar now blends into my wallpaper instead of sitting on top of the grey bar. I also recommend going down here, right-clicking Translucent TB, and make sure you've enabled Start Opened. The third and most important step is of course the wallpaper. You have options on Google like World of Wallpaper, Unsplash, and Wallpaper Direct. However, if you're looking for a live or animated wallpaper, I recommend looking to Lively Wallpapers on the Microsoft Store. This gives you access to thousands of live wallpapers, all for free, and also allows you to upload your own. However, like me, if this still isn't good enough for you, you can go onto Steam and download Wallpaper Engine for around £3 or $4. This gives access to hundreds of thousands of community-made wallpapers, live and animated. I'm going to go for this clean blue wallpaper. You could also change the scheme color and the playback rate if it's animated. Just look how clean this looks. I do recommend going to the settings and making sure when another application is maximized, your wallpaper is paused. And this is your end result. Individually, these are really small tweaks, but when put together, it completely changes your entire PC experience. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.